Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about some big money, knock your socks off Bolo items to be on the lookout for, items you can hopefully buy low and sell for a profit. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. These Bolos come from my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. At the top of the featured section, I post a post that says, share your best monthly Bolo. And you guys come and share that Bolo, and I feature it in a video. If you would like to shout out your socials, platforms you sell on, Instagram, YouTube, any of those things, please put it in the comment and I will shout it out in the video. If you're not in the Facebook group, it is free to join. We talk about all things reselling with an emphasis on Bolo items. So come on over and join. It's down in the description of the video under my link tree. Sold on promo, $94 plus $18 shipping. Paid 8 at a thrift store. Listed 4 months. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's a hand crochet granny square Afghan throw sofa blanket. And she put Roseanne Grandma Core Vintage. And she sold it for 104. Oh, I'm sorry. She took a best offer of 94 on this. And this one is Piece of Scrap. You can find her on YouTube as well and Poshmark. So check her out. The next item is The Art of the Iron Giant by Ramin Zayed. Hardcover book with dust jacket. Check this out, you guys. A few years ago, someone gifted me an art book of the Iron Giant for Christmas. I decided to list the item a few weeks ago, and it sold for at least 100 more than its original price, $45 to $50. My store name is Find Again Toys. I like your store name. Sold for 175 bucks, you guys. That is awesome. Wow. Very cool. Let's look here at the next one. I got to scroll down a little bit because I do have a feature video I'm going to do on someone. So there's a whole bunch in a row. So let me get to where I need to be. And if you guys ever want to be featured, you can share the first one and just keep putting them all in a row. And if you do 15 to 20 big money bolos, if your store is like doing really well and you have within, for that, it could be the last 60 days, just do like 15 or 20 all in a row for me. And then write the word feature on the first post so that I know that you want to be featured. All right, why am I not finding this Starbucks thing? Where are you at, Starbucks? Huh. I can't find the Starbucks. It must have been at the top. Well, I'm not going to go find out what they paid for it, but it's a Starbucks instant refreshers. It's a discontinued. I don't know what this is. Starbucks refreshers, $57.95, whatever it is. It sold for some cheese, right? The next are these 1958 Chevrolet Impala 14-inch spinner set. Check it out. Here is my last one. I'm doing these out of order, so he's got a couple here. This is a big one. I bought these at a local barn. Again, these were in a corner. No one would find them, completely covered in dust. I asked the gentleman how much. He said 10. Got them home, cleaned them up, and to my surprise, when I comped them, holy moly, as soon as I put it up, I kept getting offers. So I held out, and surely they sold for full price of $450. So happy. My store name is Billy's Reselling Corner. Woo! That's awesome. 10 into 450, right? Right? 10 into 450? Yes, awesome. Sony Handycam digital cam. Is it a camcorder? Handycam. It's a Handycam by Sony with the charger, USB, wire, and tested. Bought at the same barn locally for about $5 and sold for full asking price of 120. Billy's Reselling Corner. And we got one more here. Vintage Jurger, small but beautifully crafted alarm clock, West Germany. There's the brand right there. Look at that cool thing. Very cool. Paid $1 at a local barn I go to shop weekly. Sold for full asking price of $60. My eBay store is Billy's Reselling Corner. Thanks for everything you do for our community. Well, thank you for sharing your bolos because I couldn't do these videos without you guys sharing. So I appreciate you all as well. Thank you so much. I know I learned something every time. Now, sometimes when I click on you guys as sold, it takes me to an active listing. So I'm just going to show you what the keyboard looks like. While on a bus trip, I found this stashed in the back of the shelf of a Goodwill. They had another board, same brand, but different model for almost double the price. It sells for 20 to 25. This was only 4 and has a better sell-through rate and sold price. Sold in 12 days for full asking of $49.93 plus shipping. Easy to test also. Even though it didn't have the the little piece that connects the Bluetooth. It was easy to see that it turned on. Look up the keyboards, eBay. This one comes from Dieter's Attic. Here's another one from Piece of Scrap. It's a Nintendo Wii Sim Sticks Golf Club Simulator. Huh. Tiger Woods Tour Series. Goodwill, $4. Accepted a best offer of 100 plus shipping within a week of listing. Piece of Scrap on eBay, Poshmark, and YouTube. I love the Gans Webkins. Look at this little cheeky dog. It's the original cheeky dog plush. These go for money. For some reason, people really want this dog. Paid $1.59 at a local thrift store. Didn't look him up. Just grabbed all the Webkins. Sat on the couch for about a month. Listed high and sold in less than 24 hours. My eBay name is Charm Charms Place. 205.12 on that one, guys. Knock your socks off, right? Vintage Atlantic Les Paul guitar-shaped music CD holder. What? Thought it was a guitar. Picked up at Value Village for $12. Sold for full asking price of $269 plus shipping. My eBay store is Country Blue Mercantile. This one here is the Big Comfy Couch. Anything Big Comfy Couch, definitely look it up. Check it out. It's an ornament and a VHS. Wow. Found at a local thrift store for $1.99 in a bin, random bags of Christmas ornaments. There were no comps like it since it's likely very rare. I admit I should have run an auction. I was just going to say, I would have done an auction on this one. It looks really hard to find. I admit I should have run an auction and cropped the photo, but I was so excited. I was in a hurry to get it listed because it sold overnight for $54.95. Yeah, I bet that one's crazy, especially being in the packaging like that. What an awesome find. Congratulations. You still did good. Jellycat Finnegan. Do you guys remember when this one was going crazy? It was like going viral. I feel like it went for, I want to say $500 or $600, but I can't remember. It was Cajun Reseller, I believe, that sold it for he did a video on it, and I had a Jellycat video. You guys can go watch that. It might be in there, but I think this one was really trending. It may have been a TikTok thing. I don't know. But it is down in the $100 range now. So she was right on point with her listing price. I just went and looked at sold comps because I was curious if they had, if the market had kind of gone down on these. $100, don't get me wrong, that's still great, but they were, crazy. Sold new with tags, retired Jellycat, Finnegan Frog for $100 on Poshmark, full price. Paid $2 at the Goodwill, been listed since June 9th. Listed the same day they got it. So yeah, it's not even selling as quickly now. Interesting. Isn't it crazy how the market changes? This one here is a vintage Rubbermaid plastic dish drying rack. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Paid 50 cents at a church sale, sold on promotion for $50 shipped. Took a few months to sell. Piece of scrap on eBay and YouTube. I love that one. This one is a chunky knit throw blanket, handmade Chanel. No, not Chanel, chenille. Loop and navy. This is gorgeous. Old Christmas gift, free to me, accepted best offer of $98 plus shipping. Piece of scrap. This one is mine. This is 2 Star Fox pens. I had 2 of them, so I decided to lot them together. And I sold these for a best offer of $40. Got them in a bulk lot. So probably had pennies into these. And I don't know why I looked it up. I just did. So I'm glad I did because they sold for $40. My husband brought this home and I'm like, honey, what is this doll out here? I don't know if he got it in a bulk lot or he didn't really elaborate. He's like, you can list it if you want. She's pretty wild, right? She's a go-go girl. All right. She needs to go out of this house. And she sure did. I sold her for $48 plus shipping. I don't know what he paid for it. I think it came in an auction lot. The next item are these 4 Nobility silver plate seafood forks. Got it at a garage sale for $1. And I sold it for $45.50. I can't remember. I think they bought 2 of them. Yeah. 2 sets. So 8 forks for $45.50 and the buyer paid shipping. And they're just silver plate. This is a Tommy Bahama set. And, I saw this and I was like, I could run this on auction and whatnot, but I really, really think that this is more of a buy it now item. And I listed it and it sold so quick. I couldn't believe it. I took a best offer of $45 and the buyer paid shipping on that. I mean, it sold fast. Mother of Pearl seems to be really hot right now. I have been selling a lot of Mother of Pearl. Let me know if anybody else is experiencing the same thing. Tommy Bahama is also a good brand. This one is a Home Interiors Beach Ginger Jar Baked Apple Candle. I got this at a garage sale. I want to say I paid $2 or $3 for it. I picked up a whole bunch of them. And the discontinued candles, the scents that are discontinued, a lot of times will do pretty well. And I think I I didn't write down what it sold for, but I think it sold for my asking price of 45, but I may have taken an offer, but I wouldn't have gone probably less than 35 on that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know which item knocked your socks off down in the comments. And thanks for watching.